Question: what is Minamata disease? Minamata disease is caused due to the presence of excess dash in water. First of all, Minamata disease वो डिजीज होता है जो लोग ज्यादा सी एनिमल्स को ईट करते हैं, मीन्स जो सी फूड ज्यादा ईट करते हैं, ठीक है। इससे क्या होगा, नमनेस आ जाएगी, मीन्स आपके हाथ पैर कांपना शुरू हो जाएंगे, आपकी बैकबोन सीधी नहीं हो पाएगी, आपको स्लीपिंग सिकनेस हो जाएगी, ठीक है। सो मीनामाटा डिजीज किनको होता है? इट इज कोज्ड बाय सी फूड। एंड सी में ऐसा क्या होता है, मीन्स फिशेस में ऐसा क्या जाता है जिससे मीनामाटा डिजीज होता है? लेड जाता है, मर्क्यूरी और आर्सेनिक। वेरी गुड, इट इज लिक्विड मर्क्यूरी। मर्क्यूरी इज प्रेजेंट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ लिक्विड। ओके, सो राइट इट हियर, राइट डाउन बेटा। First of all, write here, Minamata disease are caused by, it is caused by seafood. And who causes these Minamata disease? It is caused by mercury. C is the answer. 28 C is the answer. Quickly everyone write down 28 C is the answer. Understand नैतिक? समझ आया बेटा? नैतिक understand?
Yes,
Understand
ma'am.
beta? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Karthik, your video is off. Switch on your video. Bhavesh. Nigel, what are you doing? Aman and Ashish, sit properly. Those who are not having book, beta, please write it in your notebook. You have to write this question. 28 C is the answer. Write it in your notebook. If you have notebook, you have to write these questions in your notebook. Okay? Okay, next question. Let us see next question number 29. Tejas Sandhu, you will answer. Excess nitrate in water causes. Excess nitrate means nitrate का ऑक्सीजन nitrate का वाटर में ज्यादा होना. It will cause Itai disease, blue baby syndrome, Minamata disease, dysentery. Okay, I will tell you what is blue baby syndrome. Blue baby syndrome में क्या होता है, जो ये 6 मंथ्स तक के बेबी को होती है प्रॉब्लम, बेसिकली ये मदर से ट्रांसफर होती है एक बेबी के अंदर. ओके, लाइक इससे क्या होता है, जो बेबी होता है उसके अंदर ऑक्सीजन का लेवल कम होना शुरू हो जाता है और उसकी बॉडी थोड़ी थोड़ी ब्लू कलर में कन्वर्ट होनी शुरू हो जाती है. सो दैट इज ब्लू बेबी सिंड्रोम. सो हु विल आंसर? उत्तम, कैन यू आंसर दिस क्वेश्चन? एक्सेस नाइट्रेट इन वाटर कॉजेज. वाटर में जब एक्सेस नाइट्रेट हो जाता है तो इससे क्या होता है, कौन सा डिजीज होता है? इटाई डिजीज, ब्लू बेबी सिंड्रोम, मीनामाटा डिजीज और डिसेंट्री.
Ma'am, blue baby syndrome.
Very good. Blue baby syndrome. Is it correct, Arpan? Blue baby syndrome is correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Its answer is blue baby syndrome. 29B is the answer. Mark it, 29B is the answer. Okay. Question number 30. First of all, understand this question. BOD stands for. What is BOD stands for? Devansh, can you answer? Devansh. BOD stands for.
And biochemical oxygen demand.
Very good. Biochemical oxygen demand means the oxygen which are consumed by bacteria to decompose the dead organic matter. Okay, this is the biological oxygen demand. This is demanding by the bacteria. Okay, so write it here. BOD stands for biochemical oxygen demand, and the oxygen which are needed by, or which oxygen Write it down. Oxygen which is consumed by bacteria to decompose the matter. Quickly write it in your book. BOD means biochemical oxygen demand, and it is needed by the bacteria. Okay, biochemical oxygen demand, it is needed by the bacteria. So its answer will be biochemical oxygen demand, which is the oxygen which is consumed by bacteria to decompose the matter. Okay, next question. Bhavesh, you will answer. What is the percentage of carbon dioxide in atmosphere?
मैम कौन सा क्वेश्चन?
Swarit, answer this question. What is the percentage of carbon dioxide in air? बेटा इसमें आपको क्वेश्चन का पता होना जरूरी नहीं है. You have
0.03.
And Sanjay, what is the percentage of nitrogen in air?
Ma'am, 72%.
No. Yogeshwar, what is the percentage of nitrogen in air?
Ma'am, 75%.
No, beta. Who will answer?
Ma'am,
Yes,
78.
78%. Good.
And 75, 78.
So, question number 31. What is the percentage of carbon dioxide in atmosphere? Pranav, answer this question. 3.0%, 0.3%, 0.03%, or 0.003%?
Ma'am, 0.03%.
Very good. 0.03% is the answer. Its answer is C. The percentage of carbon dioxide in atmosphere is 0.03%. Mark it. 31C is the answer. Okay? Done? Okay. Our next question is question number 32. Which of the following is not a chemical pollutant of water? First, you have to understand which is not a chemical pollutant, means which do not add the chemicals in the water. It is sewage, means the fresh water, fertilizers, which we used in the agriculture to fertile the land, detergent, we use the detergent for washing our clothes, or the grease. Who will answer this question? Abhay Pratap, answer this question. Which of the following is not a chemical pollutant of water? Yash, can you answer? Yash. Okay, Yogeshwar, answer this question. Yogeshwar, answer this question. Which of the following is not a chemical pollutant of
Ma'am, option D.
option? No, beta. Grease added the pollutant. It is a chemical.
Ma'am,
Which option, beta? Unmute yourself.
option B, ma'am.
Beta, fertilizers are the chemicals which leads to eutrophication. Nigel, answer this question.
Ma'am, answer C.
No, beta. Okay, Karthik, answer this question. Karthik.
Ma'am,
Which, beta?
ma'am, A, fresh water.
Very good. Sewage is the not chemical pollutant of water. It is a simple water which we throw from our homes. So its answer is sewage. A is the answer. 32 is the answer. Sewage is not a chemical pollutant water. Okay. Write down quickly. 32 is the answer. Next question number 33. The element that leads to toxicity includes the following except. First of all, understand this question. What is toxicity? Toxicity means poison. Okay? Toxicity means poisonous substance. Okay? Includes the following except. जिसके अंदर poison नहीं होता है बेटा. Means which do not add the toxicity in water. Arsenic, we did. First of all, write it the chemical names. Arsenic. Second is hydrogen. Write these names in your book. Write down quickly. Pb means lead. Cd means cadmium. Havish, can you answer beta? The elements which leads to toxicity include the following except. जो नहीं करता है बेटा, arsenic, hydrogen, lead और cadmium.
Ma'am, hydrogen.
Very good. Because water is having hydrogen, H2O. What is the formula of water? H2O, hydrogen. Means hydrogen तो होता है. So hydrogen is not a poisonous substance or toxicity in the water. So what will be the answer of this question? Its answer is hydrogen. B is the answer, hydrogen. Please write down 33. B is the answer. Done? Okay, next question. Kritik Raj, answer this question. Which of the following has the second highest contribution towards global warming? First is carbon dioxide, which is the second highest contribution. किसका second highest contribution है global warming?
Methane.
Very good. Its answer is methane. And third one is chlorofluorocarbon. So,
Ma'am, CFC.
very good. So, अगर बेटा first highest contribution आता है, so you have to mark carbon dioxide. If second highest, it is methane. If third highest, it is chlorofluorocarbon. Okay? Done, everyone? So its answer is D, beta. Its answer is D, methane. Methane has the second highest contribution towards global warming. Done, everyone? Okay. Next question is question number 35. Which air pollutant is not released by scooters and cars? Can you answer? Which air pollutant is not released by scooters and cars? Sulfur dioxide, fly ash, hydrocarbons or carbon monoxide? What will be?
Fly ash.
No बेटा, fly ash तो होती ही है, धुआं निकलता है. Fly ash means जो धुआं, काला धुआं निकलता है. So scooters and cars से तो निकलता है ना वो. सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड भी निकलती है.
मैम, मेरा एक डाउट था कि मैम जो सुपरसोनिक जेट जो रहते हैं उससे कौन सी गैस निकलती?
These are producing kind of sulfur dioxide or nitrous oxide gases, which depletes the ozone layer. Okay. Devang Shirawat, can you answer, beta? Which air pollutant is not released by scooters and cars?
Yes, ma'am.
What will be the answer? Which air pollutant is not released by scooters and cars?
Ma'am.
Its answer is beta hydrocarbons. Quickly write it down. Hydrocarbon. These are the combining of hydrogen and carbon elements. So its answer is C, hydrocarbons. Quickly write it down. Hydrocarbons. 35C is the answer. So today's your homework is you have to solve these questions from 20 to 35 in your book, okay, and learn these questions. And the evening I will take your test of our environment, so get prepared for your test, okay. In the evening I will take your test of our environment, so get prepared for your test, okay beta.
पूरा वीडियो देखने के लिए और लेटेस्ट एग्जाम अपडेट्स जानने के लिए डाउनलोड करें कैरियर डिफेंस स्कूल का एंड्रॉयड ऐप।